So here I am just taking my asparagus and I'm going to be putting it to put in the pot so it can get nice and crispy. So here I am just taking my mushrooms and I'm going to be slicing them into eighths. So here I'm just going to be putting my onion and parsley into my pan with my mushrooms. So I am adding some of the vegetable broth. Then I am going to be adding some heavy whipping cream. We have finally finished our delicious cheesy chicken. It is super good and juicy. You'll want to have it every day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.